Welcome to Dots Working. And today we're going to talk about a simple Revit fix to a problem that sometimes happens when you're using different project template types in Revit. So let's say you have a wall like this, a floor plan. You can see the wall. Let's go to 3D view. 3D view, and then you can just see. I use the shortcut that I created, by the way. There's a video on how to do that, and then you can see the walls and everything. But then when you come to hold on, there's a mistake. When you come to and see the walls and everything, but when you come to east elevation, for example, you notice that you're seeing blank. You're wondering what's the problem. So whenever you see this type of thing, I just adjusted the settings to make you see the problem. It's usually within the extent version of the part of the property browser. So when you it simply means that it's a far clip offset that shows about 200, meaning it's just not too much, a few inches. So how to fix this is that you just come to the file clipping and you choose no clip, you press OK, and then it shows. You can see that in the plan view that this east elevation here, which is this one, that's the one by your right, is showing the elevation, showing the walls quite well. And that's just the fix. And sometimes when you're creating larger projects, I would advise that you also move and not just move the camera, but there's another thing, a view point here. So you should just select everything and move them all together to accommodate a larger floor plan. Now, all these are settings that you can do prior to starting your project and save that as a project template. And that I'll be teaching in another video. And also, I'm going to go into how you can apply view templates to multiple views, like elevation views, just to make it look uh, good and presentable for documentation and everything. So just to improve your workflow, and those things also help with specifying working drawings and presentation drawings. Everything will be taught eventually as my series progresses. And yes, see you on the next one.